Hello, my name is Carl from the Center for the Enrichment of Teaching and Learning, and I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to use the recording features within PowerPoint to record a lecture in the event that you would mix a lecture due to a snow day or a power outage or a tree limb. So you can see here I am opened up into the edit portion of my PowerPoint, and usually when you open it up, you'll end up kind of at your home page, so this is what it'll look like. If you move over here and click to your slideshow tab, you can see that there's an area here to record your slideshow. So if I click on that, you'll want to start recording from the beginning in most instances, so you can just essentially record your lecture over top of your PowerPoint. So we'll begin there. And go ahead and leave these boxes checked so that you'll have annotation capabilities, the ability to use ink and laser pointers as you go through your recording. Click Start Recording, and you're rolling. It's just like you can see here, just as if I were presenting it to my classroom. It's actually here on my computer. And if you look up here in the left-hand corner, you can see that the times are being recorded that I'm spending on each slide, and then the overall presentation. And if at any time I wanted to pause, I could just click on that, and I would be able to pause if I was going to cough or needed to grab something or rethink something or draw something out. I could hit that pause. You can see everything is stopped along here, and then as soon as I'm ready, in the center of my screen here, I can just hit resume recording. So once again, I'm recording. And I would just move through like I would my regular PowerPoint presentation. Here I am in slide 1. If I wanted to bring in some annotations, I could grab just those tools that are available in PowerPoint. There's my pen, and I could put those annotations in. You could either use your mouse, or if you happen to have a touch screen, you would have the ability to bring those things into your presentation as well. And I'm going to go to a laser pointer if you wanted to highlight an area or point. And as you can see, when I move on to the next screen, one area here resets itself, then that's my slide, and then you can see how long my overall presentation is with this number here. And I can continue through. And so I would continue through my PowerPoint with each slide as I would go on. This is my third and final slide. You could again ask if any questions. You could put contact information for your students and so forth there so that they would be able to answer it. And then what you would do is load this up into Blackboard as a PowerPoint presentation, because that's how PowerPoint's going to save it. So I can push my stop there, and as you can see, the annotations and everything I made exist in this presentation as they are. And if I wanted to check it, I could also just play it from the beginning here. Like you can see here, just as if I were presenting it to my classroom, it's actually here on my computer. And if you look up here in the and you can see there that presentation started to play the beginning of the presentation that I had recorded. And students would have the ability also to play whatever audio would be for whatever slide they happen to be on. They could click over here and then play the audio for that slide. Here I am in slide 1. If I wanted to bring in some annotations, I could grab. So as they work through the PowerPoint again in this edit mode, they could play the audio from each slide as if playing the whole thing in a row. One thing I wanted to reiterate it here is before you go and make this recording of your PowerPoint is that you should make a copy of that PowerPoint and then do the recording from that copy. So in case any changes in the recordings and so forth, you wouldn't want to use on your classroom copy in case you wanted to use that PowerPoint again. So there's a quick look at how to record using PowerPoint so that you can share your presentation with your students. Feel free to reach out to us, either Emily or myself at the center, if you have any questions. Be well and have a good day.